the chum I just threw in? They're coming to, they're finding us finally. Dude, there was a grouper following them. Yeah, look at all these fish back to back out of nowhere. Big gag, he's got a little gag. Good fish. Dude, is that a mango? Holy crap. Chilly morning out here. We're gonna freeze our butts off. Got the little tide water and get some snapper. Wow. The boat is all ice. There's straight ice all over the boat. 26 degrees and we're gonna go snapper fishing. First fish. That's a good fish. That's a grouper. Yeah. Look at that. First fish on a shrimp. Not bad. 30 foot, nothing on the bottom. It's almost a keeper. Luke started us off. Good fish. Oh, I'm getting bites right now. Oh, he just got me. That looks like a snapper. You got a mango? Mango! They're swimming at me. A microfish. It's another snapper though. 3 mangoes. Yeah, they get closer to a keeper size. And the current's going against the wind, making it hard to free line. Finally caught one. He's super pink. Need one a little bit bigger than that. They're getting bigger. Finally got a keeper. That's a big mango. Oh, a freaking grunt. The snapper slayer. Too bad they're not big enough. Oh, there's a keeper. Finally, went over 12 inches. Is that on shrimp? He looked like he had solid. Another snapper. Yeah, decent mango for the bottom. My first drop to the bottom, I got a decent mango. So we can just bottom fish. Swimming towards you the whole time, playing with you. Another snapper. We gotta find some bigger ones. And that means they're feeding aggressive. Here, try threadfin. If they eat a threadfin, they're gonna eat another threadfin. When they're slowly feeding the line. Come on, snapper. Here we go. On threadfin. There's gonna be a big snapper. Dude, is that a mango? Holy crap!
God. Alright, I guess it's the first snapper fishing.
I have a good feeling. Catching 5 snapper in a row and they're feeding on threadfin now, that's a great sign. That means they're hungry. Yeah, I got a lot of chum down there now. They should all be feeding. Alright, he's got it. that a trigger? A trigger on Threadfin. Are these things out of season? That a snapper? Hell yeah!
Oh yeah, dude, that's a good one.
You believe me now?
Holy shit, dude, that's a good one.
That's a 15-incher.
Alright.
You didn't want a snapper fish? A little dead shrimp. Uh-oh, I got one. That was a Threadfin?
Yeah.
Right when I took Threadfin off, you put one on? Snapper. Holy crap, that's a giant snapper. Got a 20-inch mango? Don't be a grouper, don't be a grouper. Don't be a grouper.
Oh my god, dude.
It's almost a keeper gag. Don't break your pole.
Yeah. I told you the grouper were down there.
They're coming up in our chum. On the trout rod. Hey, hold them up. That's a decent little fish. I gotta turn sideways. Not bad. Oh my god, dude! Oh.
Get it. Get it. Dude, where the fuck these grouper just came out of nowhere?
All the chum I just threw in? They're coming to it. They're finding us finally. Dude, there was a grouper following them.
Oh my god, dude. I'm getting
Yeah, drop your... Is that a keeper? Look at all these fish back to back out of nowhere. Big gag. He's got a little gag. Good fish. It's fighting like a trigger. That's how hogs fight. All over the place. Got another one of these big old trigger fish.